Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 24th of January, Friday. And today was another interesting day in the markets. We had a nice gap down here, basically sideways consolidation, and seemed kind of consolidative all the way down. And then we got a nice little sell here and some more kind of choppiness. Today we made one trade for 3 3/4 points and basically got short over here, and we were able to take profits on this sharp move here. Bought back up, moved sideways, and then the market started working lower some more. And it's a good example of today. Today's an easy day to overtrade, and pretty much any day is a good day to overtrade. But you want to take small trades, and when I say small, I mean instead of taking 10 or 20 trades, maybe 1 to 3 trades, and make that happen. If you're making 10 or 20 trades per day, you really have to make a lot of points because your commission's going to eat up some of your profits. And if you do make a loss, your commission's going to increase it even more. And that's why I like to take less trades. Your commissions aren't really that big of a factor because you don't really have to pay that much as far as trading the ES. But if you're making a lot of trades per day, it does add up. And that's one reason that I do take a minimal amount of trades. The main reason is that way it allows me to pick my trades. We took this trade here, we took profit here, and it just looked like the market was doing something different, and then here it did get a nice sell, and we did find support down here, and it moved sideways into lunch. But it's just one of those days that I think less is definitely more every day. But you do want to have your correct mindset to maintain your composure and to be able to pick your trades, and that's what having a trading plan is all about. To be able to trade your plan and to have it in front of you and say, I like this setup. This setup looks alright, but it's a little more aggressive, so you can kind of compare what's going on and how to trade. So anyway, hopefully that made sense. You got something out of what I was talking about, and thanks for watching. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.